Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a social media profile cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section you can find the third option, the social media profile cutout, and just select the template and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the picture, just click to the graphic button and go to the photo section, and here you can add photos from your device. And click to the add to template button. If you want to add text to your project, just click to the text button, the first option at the lower left corner of the screen. Write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color button and select another color. In the shadow section you can set shadows to your text. If you want to draw, just click to the doodle button and you can draw to your project. And if you go to the brush section you can find different objects, and for example click to the stars option, and you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.